Hello sir, my name is Tohid. PRAC1 is a comprehensive project designed to bridge the gap between the data analysis and application development in the real-world scenarios. The project emphasizes handling raw data set, performing explanatory data analysis, applying machine learning techniques, and building a functional interactive software tool. It aims to extract meaningful insights from the complex data while ensuring that the process of both structured and reflective. The inclusion of project challenges, feedback, and continuous improvement also highlights the learning-focused nature of the work. So, to begin the project, the Beijing multi-site air quality dataset was selected, the source from the UC Ivory machine learning. This dataset, provided in CSV format, was well suited for the exploring environment data patterns across multiple sites using Python libraries such as Pandas and NumPy. Processing was carried out of clean and prepare the data. Jupyter Notebook served as a real-time interactive analysis which simulated the data explanatory phase. During processing, several data quality issues were encountered, including missing values, inconsistent formats in the data time and category variables, and the overall size of the dataset. These issues were addressed through the careful cleaning strategies such as imputation and the removal of irrelevant entries. Additionally, standardization of the data forms ensuring unfortunately for the modeling. The handle memory consistent optimization techniques like downcasing and batch processing were implemented, improving the overall efficacy of data handling. Sir, explanatory data analysis played a vital role of understanding the underlying structure and trends in the dataset. Descriptive of statistics such as mean, median, and mode provided a basic summary of the data, while visual tools like histograms, book spots, and heat maps offered a paper insights. Histogram helps of the access the data distribution, and box plots identify the potential outlines, and the heat maps relevant strong or weak, or the categorize among the variables. These analyses guided of selection and transformation of future of modeling. Sir, the modeling phase involved the applying the different machine learning logically regression of the design trees and random forest, and logic regression of was used of classification task, while design trees helped the imprint future of the importance. The random forest model demonstrated superior performance in terms of accuracy. Each model was of using key materials such as accuracy, presence, recall, and F1 score, allowing for the comprehensive understanding or their strength of limitations. From model evaluation, the random forest allergic clearly outperformed of others, sir, delivering higher preventing of accuracy and better generation. It delivered strong categories outcomes. The process of identifying key influencing further refine of the assumptions and the supported by the better design, making both of project and better domain. To present the analysis in using friendly format, a custom application was developed. This tool allows the users to upload their datasets, automatically process them. They receive real-time EDA results and machine learning predictions. The application trends complex and backend of a process into the accumulation outputs. Its core purpose is make a data-driven insight accessible in involving users of interactive data without needed of technical knowledge. Sir, the application was built using Pythons and taken for the forest and skintin learning. For the machine learning backend, data strong and manipulation were the handle using the dependence or CSV files, visualization and analysis of GUI. This setup of visualization results of instantly and engage with the insights of generated by the models. Several changes immigrates of the throughout the project, and particularly around data quality and modeling. Outlines of spires categorize visible posted of difficulties of maintaining the accuracy. Proper turning with the required of focus and hypermatter of adjustment. Additionally, the application development process faced of the handlers such as API integration issues. Sir, for future interactive of collecting a broader and more diverse set of data is essential to improve model revision and generalization. Further of the engaging techniques such as also expanded to better capture underlying the patterns. On the modeling side, further improvement can be achieved by the systematically applying the hyper prepare method. Tuning and the experimentary was deep learning and reflecting the users. Sir, effective project management was hypermatter of adjustment. Additionally, the application development process faced of the handlers such as API integration issues. Sir, for future interactive of collecting a broader and more diverse set of data is essential to improve model revision and generalization. Further of the engaging techniques such as also expanded to better capture underlying the patterns. On the modeling side, further improvement can be achieved by the systematically applying the hyper prepare method. Tuning and the experimentary was deep learning and reflecting the users. Sir, effective project management was maintained using GitHub and GitLab with the career version and control practices in phase. A branching of a strategy spare of versions on the main branch of experimental further of the branches. This work allowed to organize the development, easy rollback of the changes when needed to effective collaboration across the members. It ensured that the project remained the structured and applicant the throughout of life cycle. Feedback for the earlier work highlighted the several areas of improvement. The structure of data analysis needed to be more organized and international justifications for the model selection uses of lagged clearly and documentation was of the inconsistent. These points were taken sincerely and formed the foundation for relevant approaches in PRAC1. Influencing was the data handled, results were the explained, and the entries process was the documented. In the direct responses to feedback, clearly and effective machine learning model were justified the deadline of explanation of comprehensive analysis. Documentation practice was the strengthened to provide clear records was each stages. Version control strategies were also refined to support better collaboration and comprehensive, ensuring a more professional and structured project outcomes. These projects demonstrate successful interaction of data processing, how to raw data can be transformed the visual insight that throughout analysis and modeling. Looking ahead, the aim is implement real-time processing, expand the dataset to better reliability, and explore could based off deployment. These steps will elevate the project's impact, accessibility, and scalability of practical settings. Thank you very much.